Hi, it's Missy B, and today we're going to talk about kids pack. I have. I have kids, so they have different needs than adults. So the kids pack, we do have from ages 2 to 6. We're working on the packs for tweens and teenagers. But for right now, the little ones need different care. So let's talk about them. The kids pack has 4 main things. And they have different needs, as I said before. So 4 different products inside, and let's go through each one of them. The first one is going to be a hand sanitizing gel that's meant for them, so no harsh chemicals, and even when it comes to the ingredients, it's meant for kids. So it's softer, a little bit more gentle, and their skin is different than ours, so you do want to treat it differently. And if they're always putting their hands in their mouth, so you want to make sure that whatever they put in their mouth, they can eat. So, or I don't know, like whatever. So the hand sanitizing gel, and then you have also the surface mist. And this is really important because every time I go with my daughter somewhere, we're on an airplane, you're in the car, you go to a hotel, they're constantly touching everything. And if they're sitting next to you and you want to make sure that that surface is free of germs, you can spray it. And even if they put their little fingers on it when it's wet, it's okay. It's meant for kids, but at the same time, it does the job of taking away the germs. So by Earth Baby. And also we have a set of masks for them, and you know that kids go through many of them in one day. And so these are meant, again, for kids 2 to 6 years old. We have the girls mask version, and also for boys, and there are 2 different packs, one for boys and one for girls. And so if your daughter is like my daughter, she doesn't like anything that's scratchy or rough, and so these masks, they're very soft. 3 different masks, so that she can use them throughout the day. And what I'm gonna also include, because I noticed when I put it on my daughter, is that sometimes these things extend. I'm gonna have these little adjusters put on each of the masks, so you can adjust the mask accordingly, okay? So you have 3 masks in each pack. And last but not least, I don't know if your family is like my family, but everybody always has to talk about the bathroom with kids. So when you're traveling, it happens every hour, it happens every 2 hours. In an airport, it's gonna happen in the airplane. Yes, it will. So we have the fanny pack, and this is perfect for kids because you don't have to worry about where they're sitting down. They can just sit down comfortably. You don't have to worry about them. Don't do that. You can just put it on there, and it's biodegradable. You just flush it and it's fine. The fanny pack, there's 10 that come in each pack, so you can freely go on your vacation and use it as many times as you need to use it for your kids. And it all comes in one bag. And again, there's 2 packs, one for girls and one for boys. And the boys is a bit more boyish, with little cars and stuff and little dinosaurs. But there's 2 packs for kids, no harsh chemicals. They're all sourced in the USA, and they're ready, just like you.